Hola!
Hola!
Okay, so today we're gonna be taking this big green bus right here, right behind me. We're gonna be going to Liberia, and then from there we're gonna take an Uber to our excursion. Our excursion today is gonna be doing some hiking through some water and then up to a waterfall. So it's gonna be really gorgeous. We saw photos of it yesterday. The water looked super like just blue. So it's gonna be super fun. So hopefully you stick around and watch till the end.
So we're on the bus now. It should be about an hour to Liberia, but last time we took the bus, it was from San Jose to Playas del Coco. It was supposed to be a 4-hour drive and it took us 6. So hopefully it doesn't take too long because we do have the time to meet our tour guide. But yeah, it's a nice little public bus. It cost us 2,000 colones for the both of us, and that's less than $5 in American money. So yeah, very cheap public transportation here. It's awesome.
It's very nice. I mean, no AC on the bus, but that's okay. I mean, they keep the windows open and they go pretty quickly on the bus, so.
Yeah.
So the whole time you're driving, this is what it looks like. Non-stop jumping. It's absolutely gorgeous. Well, successful bus ride. We made it to Liberia.
It did only take an hour.
It seriously did. It was awesome. So,
we didn't want to film a bunch of random people on the bus without their permission, but we did have to mention 2 things that we saw different from riding the bus in the United States. So one of them was everyone just sat together. I know in like the US, I even do this. We like to have at least one seat between us and a stranger, but it wasn't like that. Everyone was just together. And then 2, no one was on their phones the whole time.
yeah, it was really cool.
No scrolling through social media or anything, just enjoying the views, enjoying the ride, and
Talking to
life.
each other and just hanging out. It was really cool. But now we're gonna meet our excursionist who's gonna pick us up at the McDonald's and then take us to our next location. So,
Woohoo!
yeah. Woo-woo. We made it to our location. It's beautiful. So, we get a private tour today because we're the only 2 that are on this excursion, which is pretty cool.
Yeah.
We're gonna be hiking up to the mountain that's behind us. You can't see it behind all these big trees, but they're there. Well, we're starting our hike. We got our guide here with us. It should be fun. Looks like we're just venturing right into the jungle out here. So it's gonna be beautiful. Woo-woo. Well, we've been walking for a little bit. Now it's time to show you what we're seeing so far. This water is absolutely so gorgeous. Crossed our first river. On to the next. This view is absolutely awesome.
Water's more powerful than it looks.
Yeah, the water's quite fast.
And
We did it. Walking a little ways from the stream, and just a little uphill. Just a, yeah. Watch where you step, okay, babe? Yeah, they asked us if we could hike. I can see why. This is not no easy hike. Yeah, we're about to enter a cave, huh? Sweet. Caves are the bats? Yeah. They got bats?
Ooh, it's so cool though.
Yeah, it is. Kind of a drop. Got a lot of sweat. Oh, the bat!
Oh my gosh!
I hope you guys can see it. Oh, that's so cool.
Is it curious? Curious?
Face paint?
Yes.
Gotta give myself some face paint. You need some face paint too. Stripped down, we're ready for the waterfall. Just waiting for these people to hike down it. Looks like you gotta grab a wire.
It's like a hell down there.
One here, one there, one here, and the other one in the drop. Yeah, good.
Got it. onto the rope? Keep going, No shirt this time, so if I fall on the rocks, it'll really hurt. Oh. Tree came out of nowhere, babe? Get it, baby. Just jump out, baby. Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo! Now it's my turn. And you guys will just jump with me.
Oh, that was fun.
Yeah, it was. Huh? No, I didn't know what we were doing up there. But that's what she asked you, isn't it?
Yeah.
If you wanted to jump. I came in partly through that conversation, so I wasn't sure what she meant. Alright. Let's do it. Absolutely gorgeous. That water felt so nice. Our tour guide is cutting in front of everyone. I love it. He's not waiting.
Oh, you're gonna swim with us? The cold water gets me every time.
The puppy decided to swim with us.
Get a view of the top.
Oh, wow.
Oh, sorry.
Swimming one-handed. You could say I'm pretty good at swimming. Swim, swim. And this is the waterfall. Bye-bye.
Mata palo.
Mata palo?
Mata palo.
Oh, wow. It's a beautiful tree. The roots are crazy. They're like wrapped around that rock, like holding it in place. This is an amazing $48. Yeah. $48 for both of us. $30 ride, so that's $78 plus like $5 in total for the bus. So not bad. Not bad at all. This was a score, babe. You killed it. Get yourself a girl that does good research. It'll be worth it in time. I meant all the research you do. Yeah. What the? It like hides itself?
Oh, cool.
Wow. That is awesome.
So fast too.
Oh. Pretty flower. Whoa.
Oh wow, that's crazy.
Spanish, bellas durmientes.
Bellas dormientes.
Okay, well, we made it back from our journey, which was absolutely beautiful. As you saw, 2 different waterfalls. We got to jump in the water, swim in the river, climb cliffs, go through caves, see bats. We made it back right before the rainstorm, so perfect timing.
And now they're gonna give us some ice cream, some fruit, and some juices.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, that's the end of our tour, so hope to see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe and like down below, and thank you for watching.
Bye.
The night is young and so